Hello guys, thank you so much. Welcome back to Auga Mochuku Entertainment TV. Bani bomo siku and it is the home of all the best. Asanteni sana. You guys prayed for me. I want to thank you all. Unaona mapo inaendelea vizuri, sauti imeanza kutoka. I just want to thank you all for your support that you gave me through. Kuna watu ambao hawakulala. I remember wakati nilitoka theater, I found so many calls. I found so many SMSs, and since then umekuwa there for me. Men have sent me their M-Pesas. Aki asanteni. I can't pay you. Why? Simu yangu inakuanga tu na M-Pesa zenu. I just want to thank God for you. May God locate people to stand by you. Nimekuwa mgonjwa. I think this is the second week. Nikafanyiwa surgery. It went so well. I'm still in the house. I'm under bed rest. But I thank God I'm doing so well. Sauti imeanza kutoka vizuri. We can talk. Kuna watu walikuwa call at some point that I could not answer calls. But I thank God you understood me. I had so many chats that I had not answered. I answered you. Na I thank God because you are going far. Nyinyi ni watu wangu wa maana sana. Soon I'll be back to track. Kuna clients nilicancel events zenu because I could not work. May God bless you for just admitting that I cancel your events. Niko hapa tu kwa nyumba. I'm doing 1-2 kukunywa soup, kukula matunda, kuvaa mask, kuosha the nostrils and all the hygiene that is needed. Haiwezi ingia dust hiyo mapua, haiwezi ingia hewa fresh because kuna bado fresh woods from the cuts that were being done in the surgery. But I thank God because of you people. You are my special people. May you subscribe, may you keep watching, may you keep liking. To my fans, to my clients, aki asanteni. Events zinafuatana kufuatana. Nyinyi ni watu wangu wa maana. For those who give me referrals, wale upeana referrals zangu, aki asanteni. Mungu awabariki. I just lack words to appreciate you. Ni mwende ate muno na nipo yangaitu aimba adhima amwadhima because you are so special to me. As God blesses me, may the Lord bless you too because you have always walked this journey with me. I really love you all. I really appreciate you all. I really care about you. You always surprise me. Thank you so much, my fans. Nitapona nirudi tena. Asanteni.